Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a good day today. Today we are going to be making a whale, so let's get started. We are going to start out with a curved line, just like that. Now, coming back up to this part of the curved line, we're going to make pretty straight, maybe like a slightly curved line. This is going to be the front part of his face. Now we are going to come back a little. He's going to have a giant mouth. And we are going to round it off and then come back up. Now this lower part of his mouth is a lot smaller than the upper part. So we are going to go make a curved line. At the back here where his tail is, we are going to make a curved line, come back in, and come back in with two more curved lines. We are going to make some side bends. Now this one is a V on his body, and this little guy is just peeking out from the other side of his body, so it's a very small V. Now their eyes are very low, so we're going to make a circle with a dot in the middle. And on the bottom section of his mouth, we are going to make some zigzag V's, and those are going to represent his teeth. Now let's come back up to the top about right here. We're going to make a blowhole. So he's going to be blowing some water out. So we are going to make some squiggly lines, maybe with curls at the top. Just like that. Down below, if you'd like to make him jumping, you can create water just like this. You're hooking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 U's together. There you go. There's your whale. I hope you like him. Thank you for watching. Bye.